हेलो आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू सोल स्टारो. कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. वी आर हियर टू डू योर रीडिंग टुडे, which is your stalker alert reading. So we've already done that. We've already done it a week or 15 days back. So this is like that express stalker alert reading as to people who are single, who are about to get into a relationship, want to get into a relationship, want to know about their crush, or for that matter, even if you're in a committed relationship, you want to know who's stalking you, people who are following you, things like that. So take it as it resonates. जैसे आपके साथ fix करती है, just take it, okay? Use your inner compass. And all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. I'm using the lights here deck for this same. Like and subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. And thank you so much, my new joiners. I welcome you on board. Those who don't know as much, please have a look at the other readings and read about me in the info. You'll know more. And I do not charge for my readings. I don't do this for financial gains. I am doing this because I'm meant to do this. I'm only available on Twitter as of now, and on YouTube you'll find me, okay? And I dabble in other dynamics too. My old joiners, thank you so much for watching, for loving, and my unique viewers, people from US, from Dubai, a lot of you are watching. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I send you so much of love, and I hope you guys are safe and you guys are taking care of your loved ones because of the COVID times that we are in. Be safe, be very careful, okay? And let's dive into your reading. So you can skip the intro and go to the timestamp to see the reading directly, okay? Let's see, what do we need to see, Michael Blueberry, for these beautiful people watching a relationship reading, the crush, the bae, the boyfriend, the girlfriend, the better half, the good one, the soulmate, the twin flame, whoever. Supporting energy, upcoming energy, what do we need to know? Show me the messages, Michael. What do I need to see? तू जाने ना मिलो है तुमसे न जाने क्यों. Something like that. That song I can't really recall fully, but I think it's a song from a Bollywood movie, which means that there is this gap. Maybe because of the COVID times there's gap. That's why they're stalking you online, and they want to be with you, they want to be around you, they want to see you, they want to have coffee with you maybe. Let's see. So the best thing is at the beginning of the week you've been blessed by the moon, right? Because now we are approaching the full moon on June 10th, whatever part of the world you're in, and it has a huge power to guide you in healthy partnerships, relationships, and take you forward and bring about good changes. So let's see. They've asked me to stop. So whoever needs to hear this, a stalker alert reading. Who's stalking you guys? Let's see. Who's stalking? Who's stalking? Show me the messages, Michael, for the highest good, for people watching who resonate. What do we need to see? At the bottom of the deck, we have the King of Pentacles. So, could be a Taurus, could be a Virgo, could be a Capricorn, could be you, that could be your energy too. Let's see. So, it's going to be a free spread. I'm an intuitive tarot reader, okay? Doing this for a decent time. So, this caught my eye. 5 of Cups, they're missing you. Or maybe you know who is the person and you missing that person. Are you? With the 7 of Swords, could be a Gemini, someone who's not being genuine to you, really, or has a lot of secrets, has a lot of covered, wants to say it out loud, but is not able to gather the courage. That's what I kind of sense. Let's see what else and where else is this going. And then we're going to clarify this. Because 7 of Swords is like more like deceptive energy. It's not a positive energy for me. But still there's a moon, which is shining on it brightly. So could be by the full moon, they'll try to reach out to you. They'll try to communicate to you. They'll try to text you. But they're definitely keeping an eye on you. So it sits perfectly. They are checking out They're watching your moves, they're watching your profile pictures. I think someone likes to wear short dresses in the gang, and someone likes to spend time around the beach, really. That is what they're suggesting. And they're saying, there is justice here that we see. Okay, so could be a Libra that we are talking about, that you're dealing with. So it's going to come around, it's going to be balanced, and maybe that's exactly what they're reflecting, that they're seeking. It's also about the energy of mirroring, truly they really want to come forward. We have the Page of Pentacles, and then I have the Two of Cups. So there's love. I think they want to offer you that kind of love, because they think this is what they have with you, this is what they cherish with you, and all of that. But they're coming in very slow, because they're keeping a watch on you, whoever is resonating with this. Okay, so they're definitely keeping a watch on you. And with the Four of Cups at the bottom, there's this energy of lack. There's this energy of I don't know what to do. Could be like you guys have some problems you've had, or the person already, and could be like the ego issues are there. That is why you guys are in the Five of Cups and the Seven of Swords energy. Five of Cups seems to me like your energy, the one watching, and Seven of Swords is like the for whom you're watching the reading. So for me it suggests that could be that lovebirds really not talking, not having equal give and take. That is why we have the Justice, and that is why this is what is happening. So who's talking you here? Really, I see a Gemini or Libra. I see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy strongly. I see a Cancer. I see an Aries. I see that's what I see out of the spread as of now. So there are also, I think, self-esteem issues with this. So it's all useless stuff that possibly they are wasting their time on. They should come forward and tell you that they love you, because there's love in the heart. There's huge liking, fondness that they have for you. Would definitely have, but it's just that they're not able to muster up the courage and come to you. That is why they're just trying to balance themselves and come slowly towards you. Could be COVID, could be distance, could be other things, could be they're busy, or they're also not sure about the outcome with the Five of Cups. They don't know how you'll react, what you'll say, So what else do we need to see, Michael, for whoever is resonating with the reading? The Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles. What do we need to see? Who's talking? Who's really stalking, and what do you want? Stalker alert. तन्हा तन्हा यहाँ पे जीना ये कोई बात है. They've given me this song, what to do, and they've given me Two of Wands, which is like it's in the limbo, you're waiting, and the person is not coming, and you're like, oh yeah, what the hell, what the F. But with the Queen of Wands, they're saying Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. They're saying from here to here, this is what you need to understand, that stay in your power, stay happy, stay positive, stay upbeat, see the light around you, see the positivity around you, and don't worry, they're keeping a watch, they're keeping a check, and they're coming towards you. Why bother? And when with Justice here, with Gabriel here, it's like definitely they're gonna come with the Knight of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So just reclaim your power, stay in your power, trust your intuition, and know that you're really guided. You're really guided, and Spirit definitely has your back with this spread. They're just really advising you. See, if I really fix it, they're really advising you to trust your intuition, because the love offer that you've been waiting for is coming towards you. It's coming in slow, but it's surely coming. So the person who's stalking you here is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, uh, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius we have, Gemini we have, Libra we have. Okay, there's Taurus and Virgo energy as well. But as I said, that this is a psychic reading. Okay, it's a timeless reading. So whenever the title attracts you, or whenever the reading attracts you or resonates with you, this reading is for you. So you don't have to go by the zodiacs and the numbers. I'm just fixing the camera for you guys. Okay, so you don't have to worry about all of that. You just have to follow your heart and your intuition with the High Priestess here and see how is this resonating. So yeah, someone is deeply madly in love. Do listen to that song, Truly Madly Deeply Do, which is from Savage Garden. Okay, amazing song, I love it. I wanna bathe with you in the mountains, I wanna something like that. I can't remember the lyrics. So don't focus on the useless stuff that did not work out in the past with the Five of Cups energy. Okay, communicate, because when you communicate, when you talk, things become easier, better. If you're a cross watcher, do communicate with the person you were stalking. Okay, talk to that person and take control of your personal life. You're like lovebirds, yeah, and I think you should bring about the love together. Let the ego go, let the self-esteem issues go, and just go with the flow. Max to max, what will happen? The other person will reject it. He will or she will not give you the admission of their love, right? Big deal. Let them not, right? But there's a strong possibility that they tell you, oh, you know what, I have the same feelings and I was waiting. So just go forward and don't be stuck. Okay, just don't stay stuck. So this is like a good one, huh? Like, so yeah, come to think of it, with COVID, it's been very, very depressing. Very depressing, and we don't know what to do with it. We just don't know what to do with it. And we have no other choice but to kind of, adjust and compromise and say, you know what, this shall too pass. And yeah, get riding. The horse is yours, the saddle is yours. Just go ride it, baby. Okay. So if this resonates, give me a like and subscribe. Okay. And I love you to bits. And do watch the other readings and promote the channel. I love you to the moon and back. Bye for now.